The thing that I love with Gambia is like Gambia is one of the most blessed places on earth. Every time I come to spend 2 weeks, 3 months, I can't leave, you understand? And I always tell people it's not the country, it's the people who make the country. You see me, so Gambia is one of the blessed places and the most blessed people in the world. So what I say, so that's why we're here today. And as my artists, they move here and they're here for good. So what I say, they don't know repatriation to every black man, every black woman. Zane, we're going to build Africa to the greatest level we can bring it to you. See it? Yeah, that is it, man. You see it?
One love, one heart, one aim, one destiny. One heart. Let's come together and live. Let's get together and feel alright. Yo! Whatever. Hey, you know me can't say Kusha and she had the liquor one.
Marcus Garvey.
Manuel said that.
So the moment you visit Africa, what is your biggest inspiration in Africa to inspire others who are down there who are thinking the same? What would be your advice to the viewers out there, to everybody,
man, listen,
repatriate, come to the land?
Every black man and woman pack up on no things them, sell what you can sell, and come back on no yard. As Africa waits its creators, the Western world is gonna perish. Yeah. See, remember, this is a world without any but natural disaster got take certain place. Wise flesh. You see it? Yeah. Yeah. Come back on the yard. Africa waits its creators. No joke. See, we left Toronto. We're done with that. Africa, we say. You see what I say? We now go back around there, so. You see what I say? Yeah, man. No joke, not in our way I deal with. Repatriation is a must.
Repatriate the heart of the world, Africa. Love or no. It will say, Kano killing, Ngani ya killing, Alimbe Nataranyo Kang, Fonsa se one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
We never do with them to get famous. When they tell them bad mind is contagious, them get burned up by the flame and want to blame us. And never my fault and you go betray us. Your iniquity where you work it couldn't blame us. You go link with the devil for detain us. And now you end up in a grave you never gracious.
In the limelight, we're blessed by the king. Not sell we so for vanity, work hard for we things. Royal Empress don't mix up this history. Real black guy this a bun the system.
Yeah, man, you see, full time, the eye of the Gambia, right now, representing this color, representing Jamaicans, representing Africans, representing the black people, representing Marcus Garvey, representing, you know, the King of Africa, Haile Selassie, you know what I mean? So simply the way, he is one of, you know, a big man from Jamaica who inspired a lot of Jamaicans. I once a DJ. Him do whole things, so he will let us know more about himself, and then we'll talk more about Jamaican music, and then we'll talk about more about, you know, the Jamaican artists that he put up. So right now here is Child with the Queen, you know, me rather moment, you know, mean Jayut, yeah? Jayut. Kusai Crown, and my brother.
Yeah, man,
DJ Bling, and big up to my brother out there, you know, rapper Santi Kus. We can't forget you. And then we can't forget to all the Jamaican brothers out there all over the world, anywhere you're watching us from. And then whoever love reggae music, whoever love music. So big brother, you can simply intro yourself.
Man sound from Jamaica. Aine man. Okay? Yo, greetings, Gambia. Give thanks and praise. Alright. Empress Mene Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Yeah man, give thanks to life. You know, bless the seven priests above you keep the Sabbath day holy. You don't know, long life and prosperity to all people, you know, all nations. Yeah, man, we're there from Kingston, Jamaica, Marvelly. You don't know, Aine man from Caveman Sound. You don't know, representing burn the fire, keep the fire burning all over the world. Yeah, man, we're there with DJ Bling. You don't know, straight out of London. There with Jayot, straight out of Canada. Kushai Crown, straight out of Canada, from Jamaica. Everybody come from Jamaica. I'm with the Gambia right now with my boss. So your name?
Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia,
Lucky
the Prince
Child.
of Africa.
The eye of Gambia, the Prince of Africa. King's last year we praise and Empress Menin.
Yeah, man. You guys
Yeah,
are
man.
here in Gambia. Me love to see, you know, my brothers connecting back to Africa, you know, as the ancestors took our people through the Atlantic Ocean, through the river Gambia to the west side of the world. So right about, my people are connecting back to Africa. So right, you know,
Repatriation,
repatriate back to the motherland. So right now, I myself, I will visit Jamaica, let me people to know their rules and culture, you know, when they come back to their tradition. So right at the moment, you know, you can tell us how you started in the music field.
Well, I start from singing and DJing, you know? Yeah, cause we used to, you know, there on my uncle, him have a sound system in his garage. I'm working at Kingston, up on the Washington Boulevard, named Universal. You see me, and that sound, you know, it bring a whole heap of artists from in the community, young superstar, we can turn big superstar. You overs. So right now, it's a long story, but me I cut it short, you know. Yeah, man, and then the thing grew up and we start eat food out of the business and you don't know everybody there and you see me? Yeah, me and my food. You don't know, we start sing and DJ and make some money and win DJ contest, 25 DJ contest me win as a DJ I come up. You see me? And then them kill Paned in a 1993 and you know, all of we use the power, Paned Mark Wanda, the whole of we, Cape It and Sizzla Kalonji, the whole of we as youths, you know, Buju Bantan, the whole of we, Lucci and everybody, you see me? And then now it's like, we start play caveman sound from in the 90s. From 93, coming up, we start play caveman sound and everything just change, you know? We start power uptown from out of the ghetto, cause I get where we come from. Yeah, we met Sizzla Kalonji when them go school and you know, the name Liquor one them time they just start learning for DJ. Buju Bantan go school, Lucci and do furniture work. Cape It and just come from St. Mary come a town. You see me? And yeah, give thanks to life, you see it? So my thing start that way there and we just grew up in that thing and help enough artists. Make enough artists like Sizzla Kalonji, I play him first dub plate. And history there, so Jayota, aka Amlakson. Me not gonna say me playing first dub plate, but I think I me playing first dub plate. In a dance. And it fuck up the place tonight. Sorry for that good word, but it mash up the place tonight. And we do one good. See him Empress here, Kushai crown. And she keep the fire burning with him right now. And forevermore. You see me? And repatriation to Africa, that them say, and them there, and them make idea. See Mr. Blinger, you don't know. Man, I'm maddest selector in the business. You don't know the next generation. Me are old school. Anyway, still keep the fire burning. Yeah, man, and as some things start, you know. And then we have Sizzla Kalonji and everybody start fire and we just burn the fire from in them 90s, they coming up. Fire mad. You see me? And then, yeah, things start change. You get me? Because right now the youths them more in our next level and I want to bring back the culture there. Make the youth them realize that a repatriation at the east of the way. Because Africa is the future and the west are perish. You get me? Right now I be a destruction and disaster in the west. So repatriation my people, caveman, Heineman, me there. Keep the fire burning.
Keep the fire burning.
Show them the banner.
The banner.
So the banner up there, so Anna.
Show them the banner. Red,
So
gold,
what that Anna
green.
means?
Red,
What the meaning
gold,
of
and
that?
green.
Can you tell us the meaning of that?
Well, you know, red, gold, and green. You know, creational banner. You know, Prince Mani, Kwame Nkrumah did rise it up in 1957 when they get them independence with the black star in the middle. You know, Prince Emmanuel rise it up with 3 star, March 1st, 1958. You know, Congress was formed. You know what I'm saying? So the red, gold, and green represent the red represent the blood, yellow the wealth of the land, green of the land. You know, red, gold, and green. You know what I mean? The red, black, and green now is Marcus Garvey banner, Black Liberation banner, all of Africa banner. You see what I say? Likewise, the red is the blood, the black is people.
It's the connection.
and the green is the land.
Yes,
The man say, anyway, you see the man with the R,
Yeah.
accept him.
Respect.
See, because that man, they come with the redemption for the black nation.
Hey.
Set them outside.
Selassie I, Jah Rastafari. Hey, you see Marcus Garvey? I one of the man that we learn to read and write in a shit pit. Yeah. We don't know what happened with him and his father dig a pit. Where you used to take away waste when people use the bathroom. And it never finished yet, but it's torn up and thing. And him and his father have some vibes, and his father put him down in that. You know how deep that is. And I done the same learn to read and write.
Yeah.
And get so wise. So there's a lot of things people to know about the Marcus.
You see with Marcus Garvey?
Yeah.
Marcus Garvey, Emmanuel tell us that him is the girl on
Yeah.
the earth.
The first black
You know?
man ever get deported from America.
Yeah, we
Do
see
your
Marcus.
research.
We see Marcus.
Garvey.
Yeah, with Marcus Garvey.
Yeah, and you know,
Get deported from America.
you know one of the things, one of the things that my always are talk about, you can't stay there, come here. See, one of the things where my always I say, you see, when I talk to most Gambians, that the history, they don't teach them the history of the slavery and what happened. You understand? They don't teach you about these great men that fought to free slavery. So when I say, and even about Marcus Garvey, have you heard of Marcus Garvey? You know his works?
Yeah, we know
See,
Marcus.
a lot of people don't know the Black Star Line where we built
Yeah.
ships.
7 miles of Black Star Line.
To repatriate.
True.
The man that teach Malcolm X, Martin Luther, all of them.
Yeah,
great
man. The UN, Marcus Garvey formed the UN in America.
Yeah, man.
United
So it's time
Nations.
to come back home before
Educate,
Babylon will send you back home.
Marcus Garvey
Yeah,
formed that.
man.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it?
Marcus Garvey has a repatriation. So them man they will learn about for know so we feel leave out a certain place, you know.
Yeah.
And go back our yard, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Give thanks to the
Yeah,
Most
man.
High.
Give thanks to life, man.
Selassie I.
So we say, Holy Emmanuel, Selassie I, Jah Rastafari. Honorable Marcus Messiah Garvey, Selassie I, Jah Empress Menen, Selassie I, Jah Rastafari. You don't know.
Yes, man.
And
Long
you know
life
what?
and
You know what? Let me
prosperity.
say something else now. Because you see what the world really needs to know still is that Prince Emmanuel is the true living
Yeah, man.
Black Christ.
Semitadoni,
See, so you see like all the colonizers, them they took us away, you know what I mean, brought us through slavery, and then they taught us their religion. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm talking about like the Arabs, you know what I'm saying? They slave black man worse than the white world.
Yeah.
See, the white world slave was like many other nations took their part in slaving our nation, you know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So Prince Emmanuel now, what they did is they teach the people the wrong teaching
and him come correct
of
that.
Christ. You see what I'm saying? You
God,
understand what I'm
the name-
saying? Because you know they gave us
Yeah.
a painting and
The name Emmanuel
you
means
understand what I'm
God is
saying?
with us. him.
but the man is black.
Yeah, the name
is a black.
Black.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So
I and I are the first. So the king must be black.
I saw we get to know Emmanuel. Because Emmanuel interpreted is God with us. We
Yes.
read that in Matthew 1 verse 23.
And Emmanuel always
See
tell
what I
them, say,
say?
in gathering, I and I, for Selassie I. That is in mission. And that's why I'm create Bobo Hill.
You see what I'm saying? So you see what the Gambians would call him now? Father Musa. Yeah, Father Musa. Which is Father Moses.
Yes.
The true black Moses, the true black Christ.
Yes.
Melchizedek.
Order.
Holy Emmanuel.
Selassie I, Jah Rastafari.
Don't know.
So, forward always. Repatriate back to Africa.
Bless you.
One blood, one heart, one family, one nation.
Put all hand together.
And together.
Selassie
Africa
I,
like
Jah.
this. My brother.
Rastafari.
Africa.
Forward.
you know. Forward.
Forward,
I
Bobo.
will say, what
Yeah.
Mali say?
One love.
One
heart.
blood.
One aim, one destiny.
One
One heart. Let's come together and live.
Let's
Get together and feel alright. Yo! Whatever. Hey, you know me can't say Kusha and she had the little one. Mother of civilization. Black woman bring forth all nation.
That is it.
Remember, I leave you with this. You see, the 2nd of November 1930, when the crown Haile Selassie, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, him stop and say, well, and there's something wrong. And him say, you not crown me alone. When me queen there.
Yeah.
Queen of Queens.
You see it? So a king and queen,
Around the same time.
same time, and a Haile Selassie do that and break up Babylon head. You get me? That's why we always say man and woman, woman and man. No,
Yeah,
No,
true.
man.
you see me?
And
No
that's
man to man, no woman to man. That thing then not go work.
And we can't forget. You see one thing we can't.
It
You see
not
one
go
thing we
work.
can't forget too. Man of right
Is God
is
in
God
flesh.
in flesh.
Yeah.
Man of wrong is Satan in flesh.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I and
Woman
all
of
them
right, woman of right is
woman.
goddess in flesh.
Yes.
Woman of wrong is Sataness. Said the Most High.
Yes. Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. I remember.
One love.
After love, Selassie.
Let's say.
Yeah, the party. And I'm joking in the bling. Yes, so when the soldier them a march, them say left, right. So when you left, right, you must do wrong. Me gone.
Makes sense. You see when you're up on the mic now, the new talk is viral.
Right. The movement's not thing there. Like, what more?
Yo.
What another B-roll and what another shot.
Man, I'll tell you something. I know one youth did a punk him off, man.
Yeah.
And I give him things for run and tell him to bring back everything.
Yeah.
I'm punking a punk. The youth just say, girl, him dress up, you know. Remember me tell you. Take a little time.
Push her.
I know that the road looks rocky and I must weather the storm. You got to hold on. And I know that no matter the trials you face, you got to keep moving on. And on, Gambia, listen. Born as a team player, got no time for the haters. Haters. Every time we're up the ladder, someone tries to pull us under.
Wow.
Under. But we keep our heads above the water, put our faith and trust in Jah. Jah. He's a conqueror. So we know our obstacles will overcome because he makes us stronger when they want to pull us under. So Gambia, stay strong in all your struggles that you go through.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about nothing. Just keep the faith. Keep us. It's called the smiling cause. You know what I'm saying? Keep the smile.